Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your man Rich Too Bad coming back today with another video. I hope each and every one of you are having a blessed, wonderful, and a prosperous day wherever you are in the universe. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Work's just been crazy and taking care of some personal issues within my household, but it's good. It's good news, not bad, nothing bad. So it's good. It's good what's going on, but you know, it's just a personal matter I'm taking care of. So today I got an install video today. I got the homie G coming down, and I think Hemi Amir is going to be coming down with him. We're going to get something installed on Betty White. This has been long overdue. I'm not going to edit this video, so it's probably going to be a very, very long video. So grab your popcorn, get your favorite beverage, sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Fox G, what's in there? Y'all know the homie G. Got the neighbor right here. I ain't going to put him on screen, you know. He don't want to be on TV. I ain't trying to pay him to be on camera right now.
I didn't even get a haircut yet. I didn't get this.
Oh yeah?
Look at that, you got a little sticker.
Oh man, that's what's up. I might put that on there. Who knows? I don't do free advertisement. ZL1,
Yeah,
get at me. Y'all see it right there. That's ZL1 add-ons. Y'all see it. I'm scared, man. I can't drill this first hole in there, but I got the homie G trying to put this Wicker bill on for me. We're just trying to get everything lined up. Make sure everything's even. Like I said, if you have a charger, use your camera as a center point to put that Wicker bill on. Make sure it's nice and even. Measure 10 times, cut once, or drill once, and you won't have any problem. But he wants me to drill this first hole in there, but I can't do it. I just can't do it to my baby. I just can't do it, guys. So I'm gonna let him do it.
He can't do it.
So wait, man. Wait, man. All right, man. I can't watch. Go ahead, G. Go ahead.
I'm gonna wait a minute.
Go ahead.
Let you.
Nerves. See, I'm up here, hands up here shaking right now and everything.
I'm the one who's gonna be doing it. Then it comes out messed up. You gonna blame me for it? Like, man, really?
All right, go ahead, do it, G.
So
Go ahead.
I wanted you to do the first hole.
Nah, I ain't trying to do the first hole. Go ahead and do it, man.
You sure?
Yep. Go ahead. You got it.
You good?
Yeah, you good.
You can close your eyes if you want.
I'm closing and record at the same time. Betty, I'm sorry, baby.
No, I can't do it.
I'll be quiet, man. I'll be quiet.
Oh Lord! Now you got me mad. I'm always getting nervous now. Like, I'm about to drill my roof.
Like I said, guys, this video is not going to be edited. It's going to be straight raw. I'm not editing nothing. So I said it was going to be some comedy during this video, and I'm not going to edit it, guys. So.
That'd be good. All right, you ready?
Go ahead, bro.
All right.
It's on you. Yeah, that's
clean.
All right, guys, we got that first hole in there. How many more we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 holes. 8 more to go. All right, so you got to put the rivet in there with the rivet gun. You got to make sure it's good and tight once you put it in there. And of course, that's the little rivet with the little nut. Screw it in. So it's like you repeat the process over again. You put the rivet in, you put the Wicker bill back in, screw it off, and then you get all your other holes lined up and drilled, ready to roll. So. All right, so first hole done. Not bad, guys. That's how it's supposed to look. So now what it's gonna have to do is put it back on, and then we have to mark our holes, and then we'll go back and then drill the rest of the spoiler off. Like I said, so if you got a GT, RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, as long as you got the SRT spoiler on, from the 17s to the 20s, I guess 21s. This will work. So
Still kind of fast, huh?
Still got 300
and it
horses.
be easy, man. It's a clean drill.
I think got me nervous, bro. Nice. That's crazy. Wow.
You gotta make it clean, not have too much clearance behind it.
Right.
Right. So it don't
'Cause,
wiggle.
yeah, you put the rib nut on it, it's gonna be popping out just a little bit.
Oh, it's a little chrome piece to screw into that you
You don't-
push up in there
You
too.
gotta stick the rivet in, then you got a screw that goes in there.
Yeah.
The whole
Yeah.
thing.
This little chrome piece gotta go up in there.
A rivet, that's called a
So
rivet.
the screw can go into.
You see that little long thing down there? That gun down there? See that red?
Oh, it
It puts that
Puts it
piece
in
in the
there.
hole, and then
Gotcha.
you come back with the screw going.
got you.
Ain't no turning back now, bro.
Ain't no turning
Well, that
back
was after
now,
the
bro.
first hole, brother. Once you put that first hole in, there ain't no turning back.
That's it.
Yes, indeed.
My nerves bad. Yeah, dude.
You got me nervous.
So I'm gonna let him go ahead and get all these rest of these holes drilled. Don't mind the commentary from my neighbors over here, but I'm gonna let him go ahead and get these holes drilled, and then we're gonna go to the next step so y'all don't be bored trying to watch him drill these holes on this spoiler here. So, all right, y'all. So the homie G, we got all the rivets put in. She is done. All we gotta do is just put the wicker bill on. You gotta put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off, put it back on, take it off, and then
Even my players.
final step is to put it back
Go
on.
down.
So
The mouse wouldn't even let me. I'm like, oh.
just got to get the plastic piece off, and
We did like 1,000 times.
that should be that, guys. So.
He just look and say, oh, this been sampled. Oh, this been sampled. Oh,
Hey
this
man, I
been-
like it.
He already knows.
You did your thing on this thing, bro.
But
You did your thing on it, man.
like I
G,
said,
I appreciate
he
that.
the veteran.
Yeah, it
too.
look good.
Yes, sir.
I think he said,
I came out
you know
a
what,
lot
you
better than I
should
thought it
do
would be,
some
but
So
yeah, man. The homie G came and hooked me up. I gotta get him on this drive by. Yes.
That's what I'm trying to do when I come through. Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So this is actually the next day. I didn't get the chance to finish the video because Mother Nature opened up yesterday, so I decided to finish it today. But this is what the final product looks like. So if you're interested in getting a wicker bill, of course you want to line up with the center of the camera right here as your starting point, and then mark your holes with the wicker bill, and then drill in, and then you have to put the wicker bill on, screw it on. Basically, you're just gonna wash, rinse, and repeat till you get all your screws lined up and get everything lined up good. So, but here's the kicker though. When you put your wicker bill on, you want to have some room on the bottom of the wicker bill, so it's not sitting on your trunk of your car. Because if this sits on your car, it's going to scratch your paint, and when it scratches your paint, it's going to rust. So the homie G, he did a good job. Like I said, it's not touching. We still have that gap in between, and that's how you want your wicker bill to be. Too low, it's going to scratch the paint up, and you're going to have problems. You're going to have rust problems. So just FYI, just trying to show you guys that for a second. But like I said, he did a damn good job on this thing here. So like I said, he's the wicker bill guru, and I'm glad I know him. But yeah, this is one of the, like I said, this is the petty gripe I had about my car, was that I did not have the black spoiler on my car, which is one of the petty gripes I have. So this is what it looks like from the I guess from the top of it, so you can see per se. And like I said, this is a ZL1 Add-Ons product. This is the Stealth Gloss wicker bill, SRT wicker bill on it. So my neighbor said I need to put something in the middle, guys. So what y'all think? Should I put Betty White right here, or should I put Rich Too Bad? We'll put my YouTube Rich Too Bad on there. Subscribe to me, man. Y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all think. What should I put? Should I put Betty White, or should I put Rich Too Bad on there? Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video and the little comedy that we had going on with the wicker bill install. Hit me a mirror, man. I thought you was going to be able to make it down. I guess we have to get together next time. Always next time. But go ahead and end this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. Keep God first. Stay prayed up. Stay blessed up, guys. To the next video.